Reuters piece together the final moments. The plane operator is now under intense scrutiny. The Learjet 45XR was operated by Delhi-based VSR Ventures Private Limited. Questions are being asked on maintenance, oversight and safety compliance. Times Now put these questions directly to the operator. Here is what the owner said.
Few of the members of the VSR are also coming out after the questioning has been done by the officials from the aviation ministry is concerned. Sir, is there anyone who can speak about it? Mr. Singh, can you please come out? Because this is a serious thing, sir. There was a similar kind of accident, in 2023, there was an accident which happened in Mumbai. Now this unfortunate incident, what do you have to say about it?
The aircraft was absolutely fit to the best of our knowledge. The DGCA is investigating the matter. We are there with the DGCA team and they will tell us. Primarily, it appears that there was low visibility.
Sir, but the aircraft took 2 loops before it lost the...
That is the reason. Because you know, उसमें ना तो आप थे, ना मैं था, कोई नहीं था. वो pilot का decision था. You know, he made an approach from runway 29 and then he carried out a missed approach, after which, again, he tried to make an attempt from runway 11. This is what I also have no contact with the pilots. They are not there. It is a very unfortunate incident. We are very sad about it. We are trying to first be with the family, solidly with the family who have lost their next of kins. It's a very unfortunate incident. Primarily, it appears that, you know, the pilot could not see the runway and that's why he would have carried out.
But he has already taken 2 loops, sir. How is it possible that he would not have seen?
You know, the pilot will carry out a missed approach in case if he's not comfortable to land on the runway. Very experienced pilot, more than 16,000 hours of experience, very seasoned. The co-pilot was also 15,000 hours. 1,500 hours. And the captain was very experienced, instructor examiner material. He was with Sahara, he was with Jetlight, he was with Jet Airways, and he was very experienced on this type of aeroplane also.
So but the distance was almost more than 6 kilometers from the runway. Do you think it's possible that he could not have seen it, or there could have been any technical?
I really don't know because I was not there.
Because we are talking about the flight data record.
I'm only talking of the information that I have got from the eyewitnesses.
When was the last security check done on the aircraft?
The aircraft was very well maintained. There was absolutely no problem in the aircraft. There was no technical failure in the aircraft.
And what happened in 2023?
2023 के इंसिडेंट की रेफरेंस दी जा रही है कि 2023 में भी ऐसी हादसा हुई थी. उसमें भी आप लोगों ने शायद लो विजिबिलिटी की बात उठाई थी. अगर आप उससे कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं.
2023 में जो हुआ था वो बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ था और उसमें भी बारिश हो रही थी, लो विजिबिलिटी थी एंड द पायलट आफ्टर टचडाउन स्किडेड ऑफ द रनवे. So that was the incident.
अभी फिलहाल सर जो आप लोगों से डिटेल्स मांगी जा रही है उसके रिगार्डिंग क्या अपडेट है?
मैम देखिए, AIG की इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं ना आपको दे सकता हूँ ना मुझे कुछ मालूम. You know, the DGC is doing the work. So please give us some time to handle first the families who have lost their lives, handle the DGCA, and then we'll get back.
Sir, how many Learjet 45s do you have?
We have 7.
And will you ground them for now?
I don't know. Why should I ground them? They are all fit aircraft. Why should I ground them? Okay. That's not my decision.
Okay.
The Learjet worldwide is a very, very dependable aircraft. So why should we ground them? And please excuse me.
Any message from for the family members who from where were
my deepest condolences to Captain Sumit Kapoor. He was very good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine. He was a brother to me. His son is also a pilot with us. Captain Shambhavi was a daughter to me. She was a child to me. And both of them were extremely good human beings, extremely good pilots.
So
Unfortunate. They are from Delhi. From Delhi. It is very unfortunate this has happened. Please give us time to come out of this, irreparable shock.
Agreed, sir. Sir, एक last बात. एक पायलट
16,000 आप लोग जो पूछ रहे हैं वो इस समय मेरे को भी नहीं.
लेकिन सर 2023 में जो हुआ था
इस समय आज 2023 की बात करने का समय है.
इस बार फ्लाइट एकदम परफेक्ट था. बिल्कुल
परफेक्ट था. और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ. टेक्निकली द DGCA investigates. The DGCA can only speak. I cannot speak.
Certainly, sir.
I'm not the investigating
फ्लाइट
authority.
टाइम का एक बार बता दीजिए कि कितनी फ्लाइट आज
कितने बजे हुआ, कितने बजे?
एक्सपीरियंस
अंदाजन 8 और 8:30 के 8 और 15 के बीच।
जी।
आपके पास कॉल आया थोड़ा
मेरे पास जब कॉल आया जब कि एयरक्राफ्ट इज क्रैश तो उसके बाद देयर वाज नो वन टू हुम आई कुड कांटेक्ट। एटीसी से बात नहीं हो पा रही बिकॉज दे आर हैंडलिंग द क्राइसिस।
नहीं सर मैं ये कह रही थी कि जो एक्सपीरियंस है आपके फ्लाइट
पायलट्स का एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करिए सर।
और कितना है वो एक बार
16,000 घंटे से ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था कैप्टन सुमित कपूर का।
And what was his
जो
age, sir?
ही वाज 61 or 62.
So when was the last time that this aircraft underwent airworthiness?
It goes on periodically.
What was the last
It
time?
was a fit aircraft.
What was the last time?
I don't remember the dates, but it was a fit aircraft.
But typically, what's the period that airworthiness is carried out?
That again, I don't know exactly. I cannot give you the details without a document.
Okay.
But it was a very, very well maintained aircraft, and it's a very reliable aircraft. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
There you heard, it's okay, sir. There you heard DK Singh. Sir, one last question because there have been so many questions which are being raised. Was the flight...
I'll take all your questions tomorrow, day after.
Just for a minute, sir,
DGCA.
because people
Let
are
me-
talking about the 2023 incident. 6 people were injured, and now this unfortunate incident has happened. Have you given all the reports to DGCA? Was the flight perfect for flying?
Whenever,
And what would have
whenever an incident or an accident happens, the DGCA takes control of everything, and they do a very impartial inquiry. So 23 has got nothing to do with this. There is absolutely no linkage. With 23 was a different aircraft, different set of crew. This is a different aircraft, different set of.
What about the pilot and co-pilot? Because there will be questions which will be raised that were they capable enough? You have told us that they were very
They were absolutely experienced, very capable, and 16,000 hours is not a small hour. 16,000 hours with the captain. The co-pilot had about 1,500 hours. She was a very promising child. She was a daughter to me. So please understand what we are going through at the moment.
So the
And
flight was at...
please allow us to
flight-
take care of the family.
So the question is whether all the certificates were there for the safety norms.
Absolutely.
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will